Our ODS technology is made up of 2 layers of EPS interconnected with isolation dampeners, and it's designed to compress and shear omnidirectionally within its environment to provide improved protection for the athlete. This ability to displace and compress reduces the transfer of angular acceleration energy and also low threshold energy to the brain or the head in the event of an accident. So we accomplish this by separating the helmet into 2 layers. We have an outer layer of EPS that is mated to the shell, and we have an inner layer of EPS that is up against the wearer's head. In the event of a crash impact, those 2 layers have the ability to compress and come together. They can shear omnidirectionally within themselves, reducing angular acceleration. And that low energy performance comes from the ability of the suspension on lower impacts. By having suspension system in the helmet is active at a much lower energy demand than a traditional helmet design. So with that, the 2 liners can float and compress and shear within themselves, and if the energy is high enough, the 2 layers come together, the EPS takes over, and basically we have everything there necessary to manage high energy strikes as well.